In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 profitable online business you can start in 2024. And in order to give you the best value as much as I can, I will be stating the pros and the cons of each business ideas, and very importantly, I will be giving you my powerful success tips for each business idea. So make sure you stick around and watch to the end of this video to get all the value that is packed in this video just for you. This video idea came to mind because many jobs will be lost in the next few years as a result of artificial intelligence and robotics. There is need for you to diversify and build up other income sources so that you can quit your job before robots attempt to replace you. This video is not for everyone. It is only for those who want to secure their financial freedom and their financial future. If you happen to be one of those people, consider subscribing to this channel, as the ultimate goal and focus of this channel is to secure your financial future. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the content of today's video. The first online business on our list is dropshipping. This online business is very profitable. This is because statistics has shown that the average net profit margin for dropshipping business is between 15 to 20%. You know what that means? It means that for every $100 sales you make in the dropshipping business, you have $15 to $20 as your net profit. Let's look into what this dropshipping business is all about. Dropshipping is a type of business whereby you act as a middleman between the seller and the buyer. This seller can be referred to as the manufacturer or the wholesaler, while the buyer is the consumer of this manufacturer product. To start up the dropshipping business, all you need to do is to open up an online store. You can open up this online store in platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, BigCommerce, etc. After opening up this online store, next thing you need to do is to showcase products that you're interested in selling in this your online store. Some very good product ideas you can consider include the health and wellness products. We have the fashion products, fitness kit, even home furnishings and tech. Customers come into that your website and click on some products which they are also interested in buying from you. When they click on this product, it is your duty now as a middleman to send this order from these customers to the manufacturer or to the seller. So it is strictly online. There is no physical business going on. One of the biggest advantage of dropshipping is that it requires low startup costs. You only need a website, your data, your laptop, or your phone. It is very easy to start up. And another very unique advantage I see in dropshipping business is that it's a kind of pay before service business in which customers pay you before you supply those goods to them through the manufacturer. The number one cons of this business is the supply chain. The longer the supply chain is, the smaller your profit. It is advisable that you try as much as possible to work directly with the manufacturers or the wholesalers of this product so that the supply chain will be shorter and your profits will be higher. My number one success tip for this business is for you not to sell a wide variety of products. Pick a particular niche. My second success tip for you is to pick your suppliers right so that your customers will not end up complaining and having bad experience as a result of buying from your website. The second online business on our list is trending, and it is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business idea whereby you receive a commission for promoting and advertising a product made by a manufacturer or another person using your own affiliate link programmed to your name alone. Statistics show that affiliate marketers makes about $5,000 monthly on the average. Affiliate marketing is a business that is very easy to start up. If you have a blog, if you have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, or even any social media account like even on Facebook, in Instagram, and TikTok, you can advertise the product of these companies. You go to the company website, click on their affiliate link, tell them you want to promote and advertise their product, and when they accept, they give you a code, and any customer that buys through your code, you receive a commission for that particular sale. Some very popular one is the Amazon Associate Program. We have ClickBank, Digistore24, and even Etsy. You just need your data, you just need your phone, you just need a good marketing strategy, and boom, you're making $5,000 monthly on the average. Some very good reasons I recommend this particular online business is that it has a passive income potential. When you advertise this product once, there's probability of it reaching more and more people. Even when you're not actively promoting this product, as long as people click through your link, you are getting your income. Another advantage of this online business is that you can go into diverse products. You can advertise different kinds of products in your platform and make money from each each of these sales as long as customers click through your link. One major disadvantage of this online business is the limited control you have over this product. You have limited control over the quality, over the price, over the customer experience of this product. My success tip for this affiliate marketing is for you to diversify your marketing strategy. When you expand your medium of advertising these products, you get more customers, and more customers will bring about more purchases through your link, and that will automatically lead to more income for you. Another success tip is your personal brand. Trust is very important when it comes to retaining your customers. Whatever you advertise in your platform should be an honest and transparent view of that product to your audience. Another easy, profitable online business you can start in 2024 is online coaching. I'll tell you what it is. It is a type of business whereby you offer guidance to people without meeting them physically. So it basically means you're using online platforms like video calls to communicate with people and guide them through their business success, through life, through fitness, through their mental health, through their career and other aspects whereby you know you are an expert. There is no benchmark, there is no cap to the price that you can charge people for your services. If you are good at it, no matter the amount of money you charge, people will surely pay for it. A recent statistics from ZipRecruiter shows that online coaches in the United States earn an average pay of $32 per hour. The number one pros of this business is the flexibility of the business. You can coach anyone from anywhere in the world. You don't need to waste your money on traveling to places just to meet with these people. In one touch, you're connecting with your client. The second advantage of this business is the diverse clients it brings to you. This business will enable you to reach a wider audience. And when you coach more people, you get more income, you get more experience, you get more network, you get more referrals. So everything is advantageous about this business. It depends on your area of expert or professionalism. One major disadvantage of this business is the technical challenges you face when you are offering these services. There could be some internet connection problems or some software glitches or hardware malfunctioning during the coaching sessions. My number one success tip for this online business is to define your niche. So learn to focus on a particular niche and build yourself up, build up your experience, build up your qualification in that niche. Number two success tip is to focus on your client's needs. Always ensure that the success of your client is your priority. When you are following up with your client's achievement and you're ensuring that they are following whatever and every tip that you're giving to them, it will bring about more client retention and more referral to other clients in the future. Before we move on to the number 4 profitable online business, please smash the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Number 4 online business is digital products. According to the name, digital products are products that don't have physical existence. They only exist in the digital realm. You produce these products online, you sell them online, and people who buy this product use them online. Some very good examples of digital products include online educational courses, we have ebooks, we have templates, CVs templates, and resume templates. We also have music, we have digital coaching, so many areas of these digital products that you can focus on. When you have a digital product that you want to sell to people in digital marketplaces like Shopify, like Etsy, on your social media handles, can serve as a source of you selling these digital products. And statistics has shown that digital product sellers makes about $4,000 on the average per month. That is also a sustainable amount of money for you to make added to your salaried income. The number one pros of this business is a passive income source. When you create a product once, you can keep selling that product continuously into the foreseeable future. The second advantage of this product is that there is a low overhead cost in making these digital products. Subsequently, after delivering this product, there is no much maintenance cost. The major cons of this online business is continuous updates. There may be need for you to update these products to the current trends so your target audience can find this product relevant and useful to them in the current time or as time progresses. My number one success tip for this business is to provide value. Ensure that the product you provide to your audience give them a very significant amount of value that will push them to come back for more from you. My second success tip is for you to build an online presence. You can build a strong social media presence by delivering quality content on your social media platforms about the products that you sell, about your digital products. And when you do so, it will reach a wider audience you have more referrals, and that translates automatically to more income. The number 5 profitable online business is copywriting. This is a very lucrative online business and it is in high demand. If you want to learn copywriting today, go on and do so. If you're into copywriting, keep building your business. Build your online copywriting business because it cannot be overpowered by artificial intelligence. This copywriting business is about you creating content, creating persuasive and intriguing marketing content about a company's product or their services. The major aim of copywriting is to promote and advertise a company's products to a wider audience. Let me shock you. According to a recent statistics by ZipRecruiter, the average monthly salary of a copywriter is about $6,500. This is because human creativity is centered to the content creation. Some very good platforms you can offer your copywriting content if you're a freelancer include Fiverr, include Indeed, even on LinkedIn or Upwork, or even your own website. Now, one of the major advantages of this copywriting business is that it has a high income potential. One study shows that freelance SEO copywriters make about $45 per hour. That is roughly $16,000 per month on the average. The second advantage of this copywriting business is that it is remote. You can connect with your client and your team from any location you are as long as you have your laptop, an internet connection, or even your phone. One of the significant cons of this copywriting business is trends. It is important that you keep yourself updated with what is happening in the copywriting industry. My success tip for a copywriting business: stay ahead of others, update your skill, stay ahead of the trend, or you move with the trend so that your income can upgrade as you upgrade your skills. This is a good opportunity for you to jump on the bandwagon and learn this very important skill so as to secure your financial future. That is all for today's video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you've gotten value from this video. Don't forget to share this video to friends and to those who will find this video very helpful. You may be doing them a great good when you share this video to them. On your screen now is a recent video I made on how low-income earners can save more money in 2024 and achieve their financial goal. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay well.